Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am Anil Kumar, sir. Sub-Inspector Communication, Andhra Pradesh Police Department, sir. Sir, I am sharing the presentation, sir. Sir, objective of this Code Blaze application, sir. Actually, it is a part of. It is actually developed in the state, sir. It is not a part of our CCTNS, sir. It is developed our own application. We have developed, sir. The main objective of this Code Blaze, sir, the performance, investigation officer performance, and accused witness complaint particulars. All these details will be enclosed in a particular application, so that is Code Blaze application. I mean, in investigation officer, how many cases how many cases he has handled, how many those cases are whether convicted and are acquittal in the court. Everything that report in a single web page, we'll get the reports, sir. That reports and analytics, sir. That is main objective of this project, sir. The main benefits of this one, before implementation of this project, we don't have a dashboard, single page dashboard, sir. To analyze the performance of the IOs and to know the mood of the courts, how they are, how the court giving judgments, and also the witnesses also, because sometimes we will find the stock witnesses. So those all the things we will now it is in our hands, sir, in our senior officer. Actually, these login IDs are given to unit level superintendent of police, sir, and other senior officers, so they easily they can find out the which investigation officer has got the better performance in the based on the previous data, their investigations. They can easily identify and also we know the judgments of the courts, sir, where actually we were in the where we will find the difficulties for collecting the evidence or in the briefing the witnesses. That drawbacks we can easily observe sir, with this application. Before that, we are using the manually. We used to collect this one, sir, and our court constable will collect this proceedings, sir, and afterwards at the police station level we have the dedicated data operator persons, sir. Those will entry into this application. I think this is the application. I think this is the first time which we have implemented in Andhra Pradesh, sir. Last year November 2019, sir. Actually, it is the initiative of our DAG Technical Service, sir. What are the main unique differences, sir? We have already some applications in CCTNS, sir, where we know the data of the particular complainant and victim. Only accused and complainant data only available, sir. This IO performance and other public prosecutor reports, that witnesses, all these kind of reports which are not available in that CCTNS, sir. It is a totally, it's ourselves, we won't develop this application, sir. The unique differences, main difference is that this one we can identify the performance of this public prosecutor or performance of the IO investigation officer. Readily it is on the table, readily available. Anytime we can check it, and anytime we will assign the case to one IO, sir, depending on his performance. These are some different reports, sir. Actually, this is totally secured application. Otherwise, I might have shown in this. It is not accessed in the internet, sir. It is intranet application. It is our own intranet application, sir. That is Andhra Pradesh State AP SPAN network. We have a separate AP SPAN network, sir. On that only it will be opened. And it is placed in our Tier 3 data center, sir. It is high level secured data lens, more secured. These are the different IO based search reports, sir. This one, and second one is the witness based search report. This is the application, sir. The accused based search. The complaint previously, if this complaint have any whether he has booked in any other cases, or that can be identified, sir. And in this, the role of the everything will be in the application, sir. Very simple. Non-bailable warrants also, that also we can set it, sir, from date to date, time to time. These are outcomes, sir, total overall outcome of this application. No? With this application, we can evaluate the performance of the IO, sir. And also we can complain whether he is involved in any crime record previously, that can be verified, sir. And also public prosecutor, sir, which is appointed by government, sir. That can be also be evaluated. And also witness whether he is stock witness or not, that also can be checked, sir, in the crime with the data. And also accused also, whether he is involved in any crime record, that also can be easily identified, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good.
In the entire process, you introduced since November 19, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you just see that, can you just tell us that this is the outcome? Process we have understood, but what you have achieved through this earlier, which you were not able to do, no?
Sir,
Earlier it was not possible to know the stages and all that. Now everything at one go you can see. Can you just slightly elaborate it?
Sir, this application which throws light on the court proceedings, sir. This application, it will contain all the information that relates to the performance of an IO, sir. Suppose 100 cases have been assigned to an investigation officer for investigating of offences, sir. He may be able to get conviction in 30 cases. He may not be able to get conviction in all the cases. So we can gauge the performance of the IO in how many cases he was able to get convictions, in how many cases his case were compounded. All these reports, it will be readily available for a unit officer.
Has it helped in increasing the conviction rate or improving the performance of your police personnel or IOs?
Sir, definitely, sir. Because when we look at the court proceedings, the court will make remarks regarding the investigation done by an investigation officer. So all these remarks that are given by the court are captured and tagged to that particular IO. So this helps in better performance of the IO, sir.
But do you have any data how far it has improved in terms of conviction rate, or have you any data on that?
Sir, yes, sir. If you look at the conviction rate before this application, sir, for the year 2018, the conviction rate was around 45%, sir.
Okay.
With introduction of this application, now the conviction percentage has raised from 48% to 54%, sir. So it's gradually increasing, sir.
But conviction rate also depends on the type of crime.
Yeah.
There are some types of crimes where conviction rate is very high, whereas there are crimes where conviction rate may not be that high.
Definitely, sir. Because if you take Motor Vehicle Act cases, the conviction rate will be definitely high, sir.
Yes.
But we here in this application, we can gauge the application based on the what I mean to say is major head as well, sir. Murder cases. If I have given some 10 cases to a particular IO for investigation, this application will tell us he has investigated 10 murder cases, and in these 10 murder cases, he was able to get conviction on 3 cases.
Yes.
Like that kind of analytics we can infer from this application, sir.
Right.
This otherwise also you will know it, no?
Sir, there was no the performance of the user. Overall case we can know, sir. In overall the state, some 100 murders have happened. So in that, what is the percentage we will know, but not the performance of the IO.
There must be a dashboard at the level of higher officers to see the performance of the officers.
This report is made available for the unit officers like SPs and commissioners, and for the state DGP as well, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.